How to do auto layouts in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to your Squarespace dashboard and open right here the actual site that you want to edit. I have in here the site. Let's click on this edit site. Now click on this edit in order to edit the actual website. Now once you're on the edit mode, next thing you need to do is to just select in here a section, or you can also add a new section that you wish to use the auto edit or auto layout mode. For example, let's proceed to choosing here this section. Now, just click onto that section right there, and then from in there, head over and click onto this view layouts option. It should be able to show you some layout options that you can choose. So for this case, you can just choose some layout sections it has available by using or choosing in here the free views that they have. So just choosing here the which one you want to use. I'll choose in here this last one. And then what this will do is it will lay it out according to what we have chosen. It's also applicable to your created section, so just take note of that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.